Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. We've been doing a lot of fall cocktails. It's that time of year, a lot of apple stuff. But today we're going to do something a little different. I'm feeling a little bit nautical. So we are going to make a cocktail that's definitely nautical. Got a lot of rum flavors and tropical mix in there. But before we get to the cocktail, I want to thank everybody who has hit the subscribe button and is a subscriber. Also, in the comment section, leave us a comment. Tell us what you like, tell us what you don't like, tell us what you want to see, and always we appreciate it if you do hit that like button. We are now going to make a cocktail that's called the Admiral's Advance. Let's get pouring. We're going to start with our shaker glass, and we're going to start putting some fun stuff in the glass. First off, we're going to use some honey syrup, and we are going to use a ½ ounce of honey syrup. And that's a simple syrup that you add honey to it, so it's got a really nice flavor to it. Next, we are going to put in there freshly squeezed lime juice. Fresh is best, remember that. And we're going to use 1 ounce. And that is going into our shaker tin. Now we're getting to the hard stuff. We're going to put in there some orange liqueur. Today we're using Cointreau, and we're going to use 1 ounce of that. Next, you'll see it's the funny bottle, and this is something that I've made on my own. It is called Allspice Dram. You can make it on your own. It takes a couple weeks. It's an infusion of a whole bunch of different spices, but it's pimento, it's anise, a whole bunch of tropical spices in there that you infuse into some 151 rum. We're going to use a ¼ ounce of that. This stuff smells absolutely amazing. It's pretty powerful. 1/2 ounce. And then last but not least, I've only got one bottle of booze that's got a picture of an Admiral on it, Commodore John Paul Jones, and we're going to put 2 ounces, and this is my favorite rum, you know that, Pussers Admiralty Rum. 2 ounces goes in that glass. Once again, full of tropical flavors. This is the rum the British Navy serve their sailors every day. Just great stuff. Finally, we're going to throw 1 ice cube in that shaker. We're going to pop the shaker top on it. Give it a great shake. Cool it down. And once again, probably the best part of these cocktails, and that dram is using a lot of tiki drinks. It's so fragrant. We're going to take ourselves a coupe glass. We're going to get a strainer, and we're going to strain that out. It's got a nice golden color to it. That goes in there. And last but not least, as every good sailor knows, we need a lime. We want to ward off that scurvy. Take a lime wheel, and that is the Admiral's Advance. Cheers, everyone.